Dear partners, we are pleased to introduce our Bendable Patch Cords, flexible and reliable solutions designed for modern structured cabling systems and high-density network environments. Thanks to their bendable construction, these patch cords allow for easier routing and faster installation, even in tight spaces without compromising signal quality. They are an ideal choice for data centers, network racks, and professional installations. The Bendable Patch Cord solution is available in multiple categories, including Category 6A UFTP and UUTP, as well as Category 6 UUTP patch cords. These options enable you to choose the most suitable option for your specific application. All solutions meet modern technical requirements and industry standards. Detailed specifications and technical differences for each type are available on the product page on our website. The link can be found in the post below this video. Flexible, reliable, and standards compliant, a smart solution for modern structured cabling systems.